Most YouTube creators are bleeding money on editing, and it adds up faster than people expect. Editors charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per video. That's normal in today's market. Post 3 times a week and costs explode quickly. You're spending thousands every month. For most creators, that model isn't sustainable, especially when you're trying to grow. But the workflow is changing fast, and AI is driving that change. AI now handles most of the editing process, from cuts to captions to cleanup. And it does it faster than any human editor, without delays or revisions. All at a fraction of the cost. That's where the real shift happens. Let's start with text-based video editing. This is a major turning point. You edit the words, not the timeline, and the video updates instantly. Editing used to mean scrubbing timelines for hours. Now it starts with text. Delete a sentence from the script, and the video updates instantly. Silences and filler words are handled automatically. No manual cleanup needed. AI upgrades your audio to studio quality, even if you recorded it at home. Background removal no longer needs a green screen. AI handles it cleanly. What used to take hours now takes minutes. That's the real advantage. Now let's talk about short-form content. This is where attention lives today. AI identifies the most engaging moments automatically. No scrubbing required. Those moments are cut into clips instantly, completely hands-free. Each clip is automatically formatted for vertical, perfect for shorts and reels. Captions are added instantly, optimized for watch time and clarity. Each clip is scored for performance, so you know what to post first. This is how creators dominate short-form platforms, with speed and consistency. And all of this happens without extra editors. That's the real advantage. AI can even generate B-roll footage on demand. AI doesn't just assist with editing anymore. It can generate usable B-roll footage directly from text. This completely replaces expensive stock footage subscriptions, and it removes licensing issues from your workflow. You can take a written script and turn it into a full video. No manual editing required. The AI breaks your script into structured scenes. Each section becomes a visual moment. Voiceovers are automatically synced with visuals. Timing adjustments happen without manual input. This makes faceless content easier than ever. You don't need to be on camera to scale. You can now produce content at scale without increasing your workload. Final polish is automated as well. Color, sound, and framing are handled instantly. Every video is optimized for the platform you're posting on before you even export. Now let's talk about the numbers, because this is where the real difference shows. Traditional video editing costs thousands every month, especially if you're posting consistently. With AI tools, your entire stack costs under $100 total. That difference changes how creators operate, from survival mode to growth mode. You get more consistency and less burnout, and that's what actually builds channels. This is the future of content creation, and it's already happening right now. This isn't about cutting corners or lowering quality. It's about using better tools for the same outcome.
Professional editors still matter at the highest level, but most creators don't need that level to grow. The goal isn't to use every AI tool available. It's to remove the biggest bottlenecks in your workflow. If you're on camera, start with tools that clean audio and pacing. That alone will dramatically improve retention. If you're running a faceless channel, automation matters even more. Script-to-video tools can carry the entire production. For long-form creators, repurposing is non-negotiable. Shorts are where discovery happens now. If you're on a tight budget, start simple. Even one free AI tool can replace hours of work. Start small, master the workflow, then scale up. That's how sustainable channels are built. AI video tools are evolving faster than most creators realize. The gap between early adopters and everyone else is growing. This is the shift happening in content creation right now. The only question is whether you adapt early or late. Most creators don't fail because of bad ideas. They fail because their workflow can't keep up. Automation gives you leverage, not shortcuts. It lets you focus on ideas instead of execution. Consistency beats intensity on YouTube. AI makes consistency achievable. Most creators burn out before they ever break through. Automation reduces that pressure. Time is the real asset creators lose first. AI helps you get it back. Creators using AI are moving faster than ever, and speed compounds. This isn't about being more talented. It's about building a better system. AI lowers the barrier to entry for creators, but raises the bar for consistency. You can keep doing everything manually, or you can redesign your workflow. In the next part, I'll show exactly which tools to start with, and how to choose what fits your content. If you're on camera, start with tools that clean your audio and pacing. Those two alone dramatically improve retention. Viewers forgive imperfect visuals. They never forgive bad audio. Next, pacing and RINs. Better pacing keeps people watching longer, and AI handles it automatically. For faceless channels, automation matters even more. Script-to-video tools do the heavy lifting. For faceless channels, automation matters even more. Script-to-video tools do the heavy lifting. If you create long-form content, repurposing is essential. Shorts are your discovery engine. Wait, short-form content feeds your long-form channel. That loop drives growth. If you're on a tight budget, start with one tool. Even a single AI tool saves hours. Master one workflow before adding more tools. That's how you avoid overwhelm. The goal is progress, not complexity. Let the system grow with you. The biggest enemy of creators is friction. AI removes friction from the entire process. When execution becomes easier, ideas matter more. That's where creators should spend their energy. AI doesn't replace creativity. It multiplies it. The Peter Connect Shumpy. Speed compounds over time. Creators who move faster win attention. The creator economy is shifting right now. Those who adapt early gain an edge. So the AI tools will soon feel normal, just like editing software once did. AI lowers the barrier to entry, but it raises the ceiling for serious creators. Think in systems, not shortcuts. That's how channels last for years. And be coordinative away. Viewers only care about clarity and value. They don't care how the video was made. If your workflow improves, your content improves. Everything else follows. Better workflows lead to better results. And the data already proves that. Hard work matters, but systems matter more. AI gives creators stronger systems. AI removes guesswork from editing decisions. That consistency compounds over time. Professionals, you get reliable output at scale, even when posting multiple times a week. Confidence comes from knowing your process works, not from constantly fixing mistakes. When editing stress disappears, creativity returns. That's when ideas flow again. Sustainable growth isn't about grinding harder. It's about removing friction. Creators who adapt stay relevant. Creators who don't fall behind. This shift isn't optional anymore. It's becoming the new baseline. If you want to grow without burning out, this matters. And now you know why. Most creators don't realize this shift until it's too late. You now have the advantage of seeing it early. Most creators don't realize this shift until it's too late. You now have the advantage of seeing it early. I test these tools so you don't waste time or money. Only the useful ones make it here. Today, drop a comment and tell me where you're stuck right now. I read them all. This channel grows with its audience. Your feedback shapes future videos. In the next video, I'll show my full AI workflow, step by step, start to finish. This isn't theory or hype. It's what real creators are using right now. Thanks for spending your time here. I know how valuable it is. If this helped you, the next video will help even more. It's already waiting for you. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep building smarter.